people will take an extra special effort to discover and understand the way that they're being scared out of their wits. Or on the other hand, they'll take the necessary steps to stay away from it. For example, in the mind of somebody who has social phobia, they would maintain a strategic distance from parties. Fear is a characteristic piece of the human mind and has frequently been referred to by psychologists and mental health specialists as being among the best inside motivators of the human mind. In any case, in spite of the way that we have broad information on what surprises people and individuals and how fear can play a game with somebody's emotional and mental health, we have few thoughts on how precisely fear works in the human brain. Currently, scientists are still uncertain with what are the chemical reactions in the brain when fear is activated, or what psychoactive medications would have a definite impact in removing fear. There are still an excess on quality for vulnerability on what biochemical signs the cerebrum creates as a response to fear, if there are any that are being discharged at all, whatsoever. The advancement of fear as it evolves into phobia is a prominent procedure, however there is little information on what the genuine biochemical reactions they could cause. To plainly lay it out, we may make them understand of what frightens us and why, but we don't exactly have an understanding of how it alarms us. This evident absence of information is being tended to by researchers and analysts at the University of Michigan. The primary region that the research group had focused on are the elements that decide the improvement of fear and how fear works in the brain. As per the examination, there were some gentle proof that recommend hereditary qualities that influenced in the improvement of reactions to fear. Certain people's behavior appear to be hereditary and inclined towards fearing certain things, which would suggest that a few feelings of trepidation might be innate or passed on mental qualities of your lineage. Another sub-study of this field of research includes breaking down the perplexing chemical reactions that injury causes, which centers around the biochemical mixture that results in a deep-rooted fear and requirements for treatment. It is understood that injury and outrageous circumstances or situations can implement deep-seated fears in an individual, however there is valuable but little data showing how the mind responds to such circumstances that triggers permanent mental impact. The researchers know that a piece of the cerebrum known as the amygdala is associated with how individuals respond with fear, however it isn't the sole reason. The group is trying to discover what chemical triggers fear when a fear reaction is activated. This information, together with research on what biochemical reactions are created or included, might prompt some additional valuable psychological mental health and wellness improvements. One of these could include the advancement of medications that are better intended to deal with fear and phobias. Another route that the group is fascinated on researching includes the compound of the brain where the cerebrum produces chemicals to defeat fear. Simply put, understanding and duplicating this can have a wide scope of utilization with clear applications in the clinical and military fields. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you liked it as much as we do in sharing information. If you liked this video, please share and subscribe to our channel. Click on the notification icon to receive updates when new content is uploaded. You can also check out our other videos and playlists in our channel.